Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Replit AI agent step by step. So if you want AI help for coding, debugging, app building, automation, or learning programming faster, yeah, Replit AI agent can make development much easier directly inside your browser. First, open Replit in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, create a new REPL or open an existing coding project where you want to use the AI tools. Now look for the AI agent or assistant panel inside the Replit workspace. So depending on your account and workspace layout, the AI tools may appear in the sidebar or editor section. Once the AI panel opens, you can start typing prompts or coding requests directly to the assistant. I mean, you can ask it to generate code, explain errors, create functions, or even build full features for your app. If you're starting a new project, describe what you want to create in simple language. For example, you can ask Replit AI agent to build a to-do app, chatbot, portfolio website, or automation tool. The AI agent can also help debug coding problems by analyzing error messages and suggesting fixes automatically. So this can save a lot of time compared to troubleshooting everything manually. You can also combine Replit AI agent with databases, APIs, and deployment tools to create more advanced applications directly from the browser. One quick tip, write clear prompts with specific instructions, because better prompts usually produce much better coding results. I mean, detailed requests help the AI understand exactly what you want, and that's basically how to use the Replit AI agent from start to finish. After a little practice, you'll be able to build apps, debug code, and learn programming much faster with AI assistance.